Adding photos to your Google business profile seems an easy thing. After all, what could go wrong? That's how many people think. But did you know when you add images to Google business profile, you have to know many things? Don't worry, let me show you how it's done in the correct way and what you need to know about the Google business profile photos. But first things first, if anyone does not have a Google business profile yet, you can refer to our complete blog article on how to set your Google business profile, or watch our video tutorial on our channel. Both links are in the description box. Now let me show you how to find your business profile on Google. Make sure that you log into the Gmail you used to create your business profile. That is a must. Go to Google and search for your exact business name, and you will see your business profile at the right-hand side. Here is your business profile, and as you can see, it says, you manage this business profile. Now you can see there are some icons here in your business profile. To add photos, click Add Photos icon in here. Now it gives you three options like adding a photo, adding a logo, or cover photo. You need to select Photos option. Now click this Select Photos or Videos option. Then you can select the relevant image from your device. Finally, you get a confirmation that your image has been uploaded to your Google business profile. Now go back to your profile and click this section, and you can see the photo you uploaded before. Let's say you need to delete a photo you added. Here is how to do it. Go to your business profile, and then click this Add Photos section. Now remember that you only can delete a photo added by you. So go to By Owner section. Then select the photo you need to delete. Then click this bin icon. Now you get a message saying you cannot recover the photo if you delete it. Click Remove to delete the photo. Did you remember that in the beginning of the video, I mentioned that you need to know some things about adding photos to Google? Now let's see what those are. There are three types of photos that you can add to your Google business profile: profile photo, cover photo, and business photos. You can add your business logo as the profile photo because it helps potential customers recognize your business. The cover photo is the big banner that shows at the top of your business profile. Business photos are the photos that represent your business's interior, exterior, products or services, your team, and more. And here are some Google's guidelines about uploading photos to Google business profile. Upload photos captured by you using a camera. Avoid uploading screenshots, stock photos, or edited photos. The core meaning is that the photos you upload should represent reality. Avoid using too many filters to change the photos. Upload high-resolution images to give a correct idea about your business. The allowed photo formats are JPG and PNG. The photo size should be between 10 KB and 5 MB. Who can upload photos on your Google business profile? The owner and the ones who manage a business profile are not the only people who can add photos to a business profile. Your customers also can upload images to your business profile. Photos submitted by your customers are often perceived as more trustworthy and genuine by other customers. You can refer to our full blog article on adding photos to Google business profile. The link is on description box. Thanks for watching until the end. Please let us know if you have any concerns.